Amid the tranquil embrace of evening, as the golden hues of the setting sun dance upon the water, two swans find a moment of serene repose by the lakeside. These graceful creatures, symbols of elegance and beauty, meticulously attend to their plumage. The water, now a canvas of reflected light, mirrors the calm and grace of these magnificent birds. As nightfall approaches, the swans remain undisturbed, embodying the peaceful rhythm of nature. The act of preening is not merely about appearance, it is a vital ritual for swans. By spreading oils from their preen glands, they waterproof their feathers, maintaining their insulation and buoyancy in the water. In the gentle twilight, the swans begin to close their eyes, drifting into a peaceful slumber. Their breathing slows, and their bodies relax, finding solace in the soft murmur of the water and the rustling of nearby reeds. As they sit side by side, their graceful necks arching and intertwining, we witness a display of companionship and trust. Swans often form bonds that last a lifetime, a testament to their loyalty and dedication. The world around them grows quieter, the day's hustle fading into the background. The evening air cools, and the swan's serene presence adds to the tranquility of the scene. The water, now a canvas of reflected light, mirrors the calm and grace of these magnificent birds. As nightfall approaches, the swans remain undisturbed, embodying the peaceful rhythm of nature.